Maria Marino here for A Taste of New York. Today I'm visiting ABCV Kitchen near Union Square to meet with Chef Neil Harden. He's going to show us how to prepare some delicious recipes using Rumi Spice. Can't wait. Saffron, also known as red gold, is the most valuable spice in the world. It's hand-picked and requires almost 175,000 flowers to create a single kilogram. Chef, welcome to A Taste of New York. Thank you for having us. What are you preparing today?
Today we're going to prepare a few different things with Rumi Saffron. We have a drink, it's a saffron golden milk. We also have a saffron tomato broth, a little bit of white wine, some butter beans and tatsoi.
Sounds amazing. Let's get started.
One of the things we make with the saffron here is a saffron golden milk. It's kind of like a coffeeless latte. We started with some oat milk, and we add some spices in there. We go cinnamon, cardamom, healthy portion of the saffron. It's got vanilla bean, black pepper, a little turmeric as well. We're gonna simmer that for a while. It's gonna get much more yellow as it steeps in there. The focus of this restaurant, ABCV, is vegetables, V for vegetables. And because of that, to liven up all the fresh vegetables we buy at market, we use tons of different spices to really bring it alive. Saffron is big here. We use it in a couple different beverages and a couple different dishes. It's a wonderful ingredient. So each one of these strands is hand-picked, and one pistil comes from one flower, so it's a pretty labor-intensive product. So this is becoming yellow. I'm actually going to strain it off now. Just finish with a little bit of saffron on top.
So I get the easy job, I get to taste it.
It's a little hot.
No lie, that is so good. I love it. I want more. I'm gonna have more.
This is a simple soup we have this time of year. We start with this tomato broth that we make. Has a little bit of white wine, shallots, garlic, some purfa chili, a little lemon juice, like a citrus tomato broth. We're gonna steep in a little saffron into that. It has a, because of the citrus in the tomato and the saffron, there's also fennel in it. So we're just gonna heat that up, and that's gonna just sort of steep. Meanwhile, we're gonna bring this pan hot, a little bit of olive oil in here. To that, we're gonna add some tatsoi, which is a nice green for sauteing, a pinch of salt. We're gonna add some butter beans. We're gonna add this aromatic broth and bring it up to a little bit of a simmer. As we simmer that, take some avocado, and put that in there. Then we're gonna add in all of that nice brothy stuff, that nice saffron tomato broth. Some raw kale in there. A little bit of fresh dill. A little bit of olive oil, cracked pepper, some chili. This is a dill-infused crisp bread. This is butter beans with tatsoi, avocado, and a saffron tomato broth.
That's good. I'm gonna keep going. Really, really tasty.
Thank you.
You can definitely taste that beautiful saffron. It's very complex, the flavor. Nice job.
Thank you.
This saffron is used by Michelin-rated chefs across the globe. And it meets the highest international standards in quality. To find out more, visit rumispice.com. Thanks again to Chef Neil and ABCV Kitchen for sharing their hospitality. Cheers.